Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share videos. Thank you for looking to Ethereum. So, let's start. We have here the situation. I made already a video because this video is not going very well. Technical problems, but here you can see the effect what I made here. Let's start with Bitcoin, then you can see what I make here. So you can see the Bitcoin price is here. We have here the positive channel to the top side. We have the negative channel here to the downside. And here you can see the RSI is relative going to 20 or 30. So I expect here move to the top side. Yeah. But in this case, if you, we will also zoom in later. But I want to show you if we fall to 54,000, the price will also going uh, a little bit to the top side, but more sideways movement. And it could happen that we could go here to 60,000 again back, yeah, to make a retest. But after that, I see highly danger that the price will go here to 48,000. Yeah. So this will come. Let's look here more. Okay, let's look more in detail. Then you can see that we have here the situation that we make here. Let's look here. More sideways movement, but I think we have here a left shoulder hat and the right shoulder in inverse formation. The next step is to go here to 54,000. Yeah. So let's look to Ethereum price. You can see here clear we break this positive trend line beginning or beginning of mid of October. The price is going here to the top side, and now you can see we clear break this to the downside. So you can see here. So the next trend, I would say that we will go to 3,400 and make here a retest of this channel here. And you can see the long-term trend line is not yet broke at the moment. Yeah, so I think we'll go more sideways movement, and after sideways movement, you can see here 10 of November and 11 of November. This was the time, or the area which I predict last week or 4 days ago that I expect here at this area a big crash. Yeah, the big crash is coming, and we will go here at maybe mid of November to 3,000. Yeah. So after 3,000, we could make a retest, and then the next step is to fall more to the downside. So let's look how this is play out. Yeah. But I expect that the price will fall to the downside. We have here also the same thing. Let's look here to this level, more near term, what we have here. You can see a similar movement. We're fighting with the 4,000 level, and this here is, if I look to this RSI, then you can recognize this is a very, very terrible formation. This is an inverse hammer, and this will really ending bad here. The price will go here to the downside. Let's look. Especially you can see here we test this one time, two time, three time, going to the top side so that everybody thought, okay, we will break here this year. Is also a dangerous formation if you look here. This was the all-time high and we test the all-time high. Yeah, so the people not realize at the moment that we are really in a bad situation at the moment and that the game is now starting. Yeah, so I understand the people, yeah, okay, the price is going to 4,300 and they expect that the price will go to 8,000 and they are very positive and they are still positive. and I think this move will change everything, that the price will drop here very hard to the downside. Let's look. Yes, we are not yet. This was only a pre-step, and the really step will begin here if we go here sideways, and then the price go here to 3,400. So what we have here at the Bitcoin price 58,000. Also here we have here really a big negative channel, so that the price. Let's look. We have here one time, two time we test this. So I would say we will see something like that. Again, a test of this, and then the price will drop to the downside. And I think 54,000 is a good address. We have also the place to fall to 52,000, but 54,000, I think it's a good place to stay. Also here at Ethereum, you can see Ethereum is fighting with this level here. So I would say drop to 3,400. Yeah, it's hard to say, but we have here no possibility to go here to top side. We break this here to the downside. Let's look here what we have here. After I think this here move, this is a very aggressive formation. So I think if this play out, yeah, then we could fall also to 1,500 or $1,000. So I think this here has this negative channel here has a lot of potential that that this year could take Ethereum really bad to the downside. Especially this year is a good place for Ethereum, because at these levels Ethereum has a really good support 1,900. I think we could get here a really good move here to the top side from this point, but after reaching here, let's look here, 2,600, yeah, especially this rest, then I would say we will fall here to the downside. But this is too early to predict, because many people swimming at the positive moon boy waves, so that they think the price will go to 8,000, and if I predict here 2000, then they are not realizing that the price could go here to the downside. So forget this for the first moment. Please look to this area. If this is playing out, that the price go to 3,400, and then make this move to 2,900. So have a nice day.